Looking for a perfect site for barbecue? Piglet, my love and partner, loves barbecue. He was born and raised in the Midwest, and that's in him. When I started really digging into healthy eating in 2009, I started feeding him kimchi regularly to help him with his weight issues. He loves the flavors of kimchi, especially the 5-minute easy kimchi recipe, the cucumber kimchi. If your family member doesn't support healthy eating, it's your lucky day. Look no further. Provide the flavorful, healthy foods they love, such as kimchi. There are more than 180 different kinds of kimchi in Korea, ranging from pungent flavors to mild yet flavorful kimchi, full of probiotic and nutrition. You can virtually make any vegetable into kimchi. A good place to start is to start with proven, easy recipes. That's why I made top 3 easy kimchi recipes for gut health. You can find the link below this video to download these recipes. You can also find all my simple recipes at hungrygopher.com. When I made kimchi the other day, my husband said, "You're basically making a big salad." Well, it's partially true, but that's even better because this magical salad doesn't go bad. The power of natural preservation, the best way to preserve food. So what happened to my husband after eating kimchi regularly? Well, let me show you real quick. Okay, so this is before picture. As you can see, he's a little chunkier here. And after eating kimchi regularly, look at him. He became a fine stallion. I believe he lost about 40, 50 pounds, about a box of wine. So that's pretty cool just by eating kimchi regularly. And of course, other stuff. But kimchi has been the cornerstone of it. So that's pretty cool, huh? So try top 3 easy kimchi recipes for your family and your own health. And make sure you sign up for my newsletter at hungrygopher.com because I have a lot of cool live virtual events coming. I have some surprise for you guys too. So sign up to my newsletter so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.